Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Bodhisattva Khandera. First of all, I am very much thankful to UNICEF for giving me a chance to share my thoughts with you. I am working for social forestation since 2013. I started to work on environment at the age of 6. I live in a small village near Neona forest. I saw people cutting down the trees from my childhood. They told me that it is their need. In the beginning, I requested them not to cut the trees. And after some time, I suddenly came to know that it is not sufficient to stop deforestation. But the ultimate solution is afforestation. Because the things that happen in my village are also happening all over the world. The human need and greed is limitless. It is difficult to stop deforestation due to population explosion. But at the same time, afforestation can be done with the help of the same population. Every person who breathes must grow a tree for his own need. As a person earns bread, purchases clothing, builds home, in the same way he has to learn to earn oxygen for himself. I request all the teachers to teach the value of a tree to their students. Teach them the water anthem, the forest anthem with the national anthem. Climate change is a bhasmasur. It is standing at your doorsteps, giving you diseases, destructing your money and health. It is taking your lives. Never take it casually. It is taking human race towards end. Think what nature gives us. Fresh air, pure water, good rain, food, clothing, shelter, everything. What do we give back? Non-degradable garbage, pollution, deforestation, doom. The most advanced human culture on this earth is destructing the nature, and at the same time they are destructing their own future. What a nation can do without fresh air? What a nation can do without pure water? What a nation can do without good rain? Any superpower has not having the power to survive on this earth without oxygen. Government is running costly projects for plantation. They are using the traditional methods. But do you think this much is sufficient? Do we have the time, money and manpower to save all the planted trees? I think we must use some new, effective and effortless plantation methods. We must use some natural plantation method with the traditional ones. Natural method means the seed will germinate and grow naturally at its own. It will cope up with the 5 basic elements of the nature and will grow strongly. I have discovered 2 new free of cost plantation method, magic socks method and green pouch method with my 7 years of experience. The power of nature to grow trees is great. So there are still forests left on the earth. I request to Government of India to pass a bill that parents must plant 5 saplings for each child. They must take care of all the 5 trees along with their baby so that every child could get sufficient oxygen for breathing. If parents accumulate wealth for their children, then why not oxygen for their breathing? Because the children can use the wealth only when they could survive on this earth. An old tree is like a grandfather who always blesses everyone. Behave humanly to them. Treat them as our beloved ones. स्वस्थ पर्यावरण, स्वस्थ जीवन, यही हमारा नारा होना चाहिए. Thank you everyone for listening to me. जय हिंद.